Welcome, in front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and one of those should be a power saving mode. Now for me it is visible on the second page right over here. Looks like a battery with a plus inside of it. Once you see it, you can tap on it, it brings up this window, turn on battery saver. I'm going to select turn on, and that's it, your power saving mode is now enabled. Now you might encounter some things happening in the background that you might not be used to. For instance, notifications might be delayed in delivery, and that would be caused by the power saving mode. So it will probably be the most noticeable thing that obviously might interfere with how you want to use your device. Typically those notifications will be delayed, and if you rely on them being delivered to you when someone sends them to you, then power saving mode might not be for you. But anyway, once you're done using your power saving mode, find the toggle once more and you can tap on it once again to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.